here. Damn, that's shift. Bam. Yo, I was looking at a Zebik for Silver Days. I'm gonna wait until he gets here so I can look at it. I don't want to sound super bearish, but be careful. Like, let's see. Silver Days, welcome. Nice. We actually got notification today, so I think we should get a good amount of people in here. It's sad. I have the notification button up on my phone, so I get to see like, oh wow, Cryptomia Analysis is live streaming now, so I know when I go live, or I know that there's notifications being sent. Silver Days, welcome. Craig, welcome. I'm gonna wait until you're back. I'm gonna wait until you're here, and then I'll take a look at Velo and SHX for you. Yeah, we're getting some good moves. I think we should have a pretty good night stream tonight, but we'll see. We'll see how many people. We'll see how many concurrent viewers we got. Yeah, we got 11 so far, and we're 2 minutes in. Let's go. What's up, Kamar Habib? Welcome. Welcome to the live stream. Floofin. I think we missed you last night. Welcome to the live stream, man. Zebik Network Meow. Yes, there you are. I was looking at it. We got to look it up because we're having a nice move. But look, you literally hit our purple box. I haven't changed or touched the chart since the last time that we looked at it. So we have a couple things to look at with Zebik. Dwayne Kelly, welcome to the live stream, man. Feel free to let me know what coins you want me to look at for you. Thank you so much for the membership. I really appreciate the support, man. Thank you. Floofin says, Days, what are your thoughts on Zebik? I'll tell you in a second. How much are you up on? Oh, you're not asking me. Hey, any chance we see XRP $15 now that Japan okay for banking? I don't see a target at $15, man. We'll take a look at XRP for you, but the first target that we have for XRP is around $6. So I think it's $6, right? $6.50, right? Yeah, it's around 6. Dude, this is. I used to have this car, and my car has been like giving me problems, and I'm like, should I buy a new car? No. But then again, I'm like, oh my gosh, why am I spending money fixing this? Like fixing this piece of crap, man. Oh my god. It's all good. It's all good. What was I saying? Yeah, 650. So yeah, you guys are gonna see a lot of advertising for that car because, of course, I Googled it just to see if there's any for sale because it's super limited, and now I'm getting bombarded with advertisement. Yeah, so as far as $15, man, I can't jump to $15. The first target on the upside right now is 650. When 650 breaks, then we can start taking a look at the next targets on the upside. What's up, Londo? Welcome to the live stream, man. Well, long time no see, Londo. Glad I caught it. Gonna work and have you in the background. Yo, let's go. Damn, you work at night? Because it's like 5 o'clock right now. Shouldn't you be done with work? Are you gonna hodl it, Days? Buy an Audi? I'm not buying an Audi, man. The only reason why I would buy the other car is because it's a Toyota, but I'm not gonna go into having a car payment, man. I'll just have to drive my wife's car, like buy a bike. I actually did that before. I actually bought a bike and tried that, which is freaking insane, but I don't even need a car. whatever. I'll just bike everywhere. I'll walk. I'll get a skateboard. Hell yeah. I'll get a skateboard, man. I used to have a sick SpongeBob skateboard back in the day. I don't have it anymore, but it was really cool. I'll probably get that again. I'll probably go on eBay and be like, yo, where, SpongeBob skateboard. And no, it wasn't a longboard. I'm not going to be longboarding. I sold 20% when it went up last year, and just hodled the rest for now. Let's go, Silver Days Diamond Hands. And also keep in mind the Silver Days, if I'm not mistaken, I think from my memory, you said that Zebic, you bought it at 306, so you literally bought the bottom, man. So for Zebic, to answer you and the other gentleman who asked for Zebic before Craig comes here, I'll take a look at Zebic right now. Give me 1 second. Fast Willie Jackson, welcome to the live stream, man. Let me know if there's anything you want me to look at for you. We got 17 bogeys in here. Let's go. Thank you so much for coming by. Happy Friday, everybody. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend and whatever it is that you're doing. Buy used? Yeah, that's what I did. I bought the car in November of 2023, and I've already had to spend $1,400, which isn't bad because it's like, it's actually not bad because relatively speaking, and if you compare it with, oh, okay, so like what if I had a car payment? Like, I just can't, because I've done this before, and it's sickening when the car repairs becomes to a, like, the car before the car I had last was another, like, I sold my car previous to that, and I bought like a Scion. But the repairs got to the point where my like if you take it and if you divide it by the months that you had it, it was literally a car payment. So I was just sick. I was like, oh my god. So why am I driving around this like this Barney wagon? Oh, because it was like purple. This like purple freaking like dinosaur. Why am I driving this around if if I could just have a small car payment and drive a better and newer car? So, but then I went back. So it's like it goes flip flop, right? But I think this time I just gotta like really, really, really just go through it and just hope that my car doesn't break. Freaking car problems, man. What the heck? I've never had car problems because I've had new cars. And whenever I've had car problems, it's always because they're like, I bought used cars. Freaking brutal. Londo says, I'm at home. I'm a self-employed Spanish group interpreter and replying to emails, sending invoices out to law firms. Yo! Nice, man. That's awesome, dude. That is really cool, man. Good for you. Living the dream, dude. Self-employed Spanish court interpreter. And you're doing your own billing, man. Let's go. Good for you. Congrats. I hope your business grows. I hope you do. I mean, it seems like you're doing well, but I hope you do better, man. I hope you get contracted with like every government. Everyone needs Spanish interpreters. Silver Day says Fala network me. I'll take a look at that in a second. Londo says, what do you think about XCN? I don't hold it. Oh, it just had a nice recovery. So if there was a time to get in, it would have been before this recovery. But we'll take a look at this too. Just want to make sure I read. Oh, I guess it wasn't even oh yeah, it was a recovery. Yeah. You had a nice move, but you're still actually... I'll show you. I'll take a look at it in a second. We have all the coins up here. I'm waiting for Craig Berger to come back too for Stronghold and Velo. So, maintaining it matters, especially if you own a Audi. Yeah, it gets crazy. I work on them. What's the problem with your current car, make and model? Okay, yeah, the problem is that, okay, I don't want to get into car talks, so let me do this, and then when the chat dies down a little bit, then we can talk about the car problems. Then we can talk about fixing it together. What's up, Fernando? Welcome. Hey, man. I received that. Hey, you just got to receive it, man. I never understood that, man. I'm like, oh, like, I always, like, talk to people. I'm like, hey, what if, like, this? What if this? Like, what if you have the opportunity to, like, get a raise or, like, do more things or whatever. And it just always baffles me that people are like, like it just depends, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, what? Like, what do you mean it just depends on what? Like, what? I don't know. It's freaking, it's actually crazy. But let me look at, so basically to build off of that, yes, like it's really important to receive. Some people have a hard time receiving, but you got to understand that if someone's giving something to you, it's like you don't want to undermine them and make them think that you don't even know why you don't even know why they're doing it, because it's kind of like an insult to their actions. So does that make sense, or did I explain that? I probably explained that wrong. I mean, if you know, you know. Like, it's just so hard to explain stuff, but whatever. Let's take a look at on Zebic. So Silver Days. We've been talking about this for weeks, okay? We said even last night before we had this monster move, and congratulations, that's like 49%. So you just did 49% in like overnight, so congratulations. We had macro support here at this area, which we tagged, and then we bounced and consolidated. We established a bottom, a floor, and we still kept the box overhead because not only is this still macro resistance, but it still hits our downtrend. So you have resistance at 2028 to 33. You came up and tagged it. I'm not saying that's it, but there are a couple indicators signifying that we might have some sort of pullback, possibly, unless it's just super bullish and it's going to fly up on out of here. We are extremely overbought, and we did hit resistance. Okay, so two indicators that got hit. So be careful. If you do get a continuation, and if this thing's going on a god run and going parabolic, the next area that it needs to break is 2033. Once it breaks 2033, you're not only invalidating this downtrend, the entire chart needs to change. So I haven't changed the chart in a while since we broke the 382. So the entire chart needs to change if we get over and stay over 2033. And that's it. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Congratulations on your 50% move. And what's up, Fernando? I'm still firm, a firm Satoshi stacker, Ethan Toshi. Let's go. And then Londo, you said XCN. So XCN. Oh my gosh, see, it's the universe. It's trying to make me buy this car, man. I would have a $300 car payment, bro. Do I want a $300 car payment? I mean, I'm gonna be driving my whip in style, dude. No more Toyota Corolla, baby. I'm gonna have neck snapping. Oh my gosh. That's not me. That's literally the universe trying to get me to buy the car, by the way. Anyway, let's see. So for XCN, just keep in mind that we did have a nice move, but we don't need to redraw anything right now because we're still stuck in this downtrend, and you still have resistance overhead. That's 2074 to around 1 cent. Dude, it's so hot right now. Once this breaks, the next target on the upside is 1 cent 89. So just keep in mind that is the next target. It's going to invalidate this downtrend, and then we can start taking a look at the targets on the upside. And that's pretty much it. And not financial advice, just my opinion. Let's see. No problem. Yeah, it does make sense when you have Christ. It's all easy peasy, bro. Let's go. Just receive, man. You ain't got to say no. You say yes. Yes to all the blessings. Let's go. I would take profit stays, but that's just me. You do you. I mean, I think Silver Days is in a pretty good position because of how low he did buy. So I think that, yeah, I mean, he did just get a 50% move on top of the fact that he bought at the lows. So it's not a bad time to take profits. I think he said he took 20%. Best case scenario, which is the unlikely scenario, but of course the second he sells, it's going to happen, is you actually break this area and you invalidate this this entire downtrend. Of course, it would only happen if Silver Days sold, but if Silver Days holds, then it's going to come back down. It's like literally like the meme. Very fast as yes, definitely I agree. I buy used in cash, no payments. Nice, that's good. That is good. That is good. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to have to like have another expense for no reason. Like, do I want a car payment? Whipping around or driving around in a super nice car? Or do I want to save and take my money to my grave and never have fun? I'm just joking. I'm totally just joking. Actually, I'm not, but like obviously save and other goals in mind. But damn, if my car breaks, that's gonna really blow because I'm gonna probably just sell it, and just sell it as like, oh hey, that's broken, or it's really old and it leaks and stuff. So, and then I'm gonna have to drive around a freaking rose gold Mercedes, bro. Oh my god, I'm not gonna do that. Bro, oh wow, like, of course, you have to get the rose gold. I'm not, no, hell no. There's no way no way. Like, oh, call me closed-minded. Nope, I'm not doing it. I'm not driving around a rose gold Mercedes. My wife has a rose gold Mercedes, by the way. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, Fad Network. That's right. Sorry, I got distracted with rose gold. With the rose gold car. Oh, it's having it's making a lower high right now. Let's see. Oops. Oh yeah, so you're actually still stuck. You're actually still in resistance right now. So we looked at this. I don't know when we looked at this Silver Days, but we have resistance here at 3 cents to 4 cents 40. Break from this area should send you to 7 cents. But keep in mind that you came back up, made a lower high, and most importantly, you actually got rejected at 4 cents 40, which is the next area of resistance. So for a continuation, this does need to break 4 cents 40, and then we'll look at 7 cents just like we have drawn. But as of right now, it's getting stuck at resistance, and that's all, that's all we have to show for it. So. There are gems used that look brand new. Yeah, that was my car because I keep very good care. I take very good care of my cars. Yo, Fast Willie Jackson coming in with the super chats, man. You came in with 5 beans yesterday or 2 nights ago. I don't remember. It was either yesterday or 2 nights ago. I don't even remember what I had for dinner last night. Actually, I do. I had cod. Yeah, I had marinated cod with couscous. Oh, and broccoli. I knew I forgot something, yeah. Broccoli couscous with cod. Gotta get your broccoli. Yo, thank you so much for the $8, man. That's a lot of money, so... Fast Willie Jackson, first super chat of the night, $8. I have to turn on the light now. I have to turn on my logo. Keeping the light on. Bam. We got Crypto Meow Analysis in the lights. Yes, in the light. I would never buy this car. It's red. I don't like red cars. I as well looks and maintenance. Yeah, looks and maintenance. Yeah, so. I used to get my car detailed like every couple years. I used to get it actually detailed. So the seats I would get shampooed, and I would also get under the hood power washed. So when you get a new car, you look under the hood and it's brand new. I would do that. I would pay them $50. It's usually $40 to $50 to power wash and get all the gunk out of your hood. I haven't obviously. Actually, I did do the interior with my car just because But I never did under the hood with this car because there's no point. It's a 2008. It's almost it's 20 years old. Oh my gosh, man! Wow, it's the car is 20 years old. The car is actually old. Is the car? The car's age is more than double my age. Wait, hold on. What am I trying to say? I don't even know. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. But anyway, yo, thank you so much for the $8, man. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Thank you. Yo, is Craig Berger back? Or Dwayne Kelly? Let me take a look at your guys' coins. I think Beam and Bitinzer. I'll take a look at it for you. I don't know. Maybe he'll watch the live stream afterwards or something. But yeah, Beam, there's literally nothing. NPYR Vulcan Forge. Bro, how is this still going down? I have no idea. Hold on, what's Elon doing? Because if Elon's going down, I'm going to buy back. Yeah, at least this is... Even Elon's doing better than Beam, man. What the hell is going on, man? Okay, so Beam, still bearish. Still down. PYR... Yeah, Vulcan Forge, same deal here. For whatever reason. Let me see, short-term... Is this short-term resistance? Yes. Wait a minute. Did it change? Why would it? No, it didn't. I just did it from here. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so so Vulcan Forge at this point, I don't even feel comfortable with that. I'm going to give you a more conservative target. Conservatively speaking, first major area of resistance for Vulcan Forge PYR is going to be around 54 to 82 cents. And that is going to be around a, 84 to 178% move. And not financial advice, just my opinion. But yeah, if you get that, man, I don't even know where you bought, but this chart sucks. But again, it's like, I hate saying that because even crap coins can go up 10x. But you just got to make sure you sell, man. Once this thing gives you the opportunity and has a major run, maybe does 5 to 10x, please just get out and put your money in like SPY, man. I'm done with altcoins myself. Like, obviously you could do whatever you want, but man, you're doing way better and like playing the stock market like you are. Like, that's, oh, did I get some? Yeah, like that's way better, dude. Than to put money in Beam. Yes. Wait. Oh, I saw that one. That's so funny. Yeah, I'll give you $200. Let's go. Yes. Tell me, bro, I just bought a '07 Audi S8. Damn. Is that the one with turbo? $6,800. Audi S8 '07 T3 6800. Damn, that's pretty nice. Those are nice. Yeah, the problem is it's also maintenance. Like, I got a Toyota because it's so cheap. It doesn't have turbo. Got it. A 2016 A6 2.0. Got it. 5.2 V10. Oh my gosh, man. How many horsepower do you get with that? 400? What's the horsepower on that? That's got to be more, man. What am I talking about? That's got to be at least 520. 480, 520. Am I wrong? I'm guessing. So let me know. What's the horsepower on that? It has to be like 450 to 550. I'm going to guess 450 to 550. 450, okay. Yeah, damn. Super nice. That's insane. That is insane. Oh, we could check the crypto bubbles. I'm just waiting for Meta to come out with... Not Meta, what am I talking about? I'm waiting for YouTube to come out with Meta glasses. So that I can actually, when I go and play cards, I can actually live stream it. And then I'll get more subscribers that way. Because people that play Yu-Gi-Oh! Or Magic, I know that sounds really nerdy, but if you guys... I don't think you guys would even be able to play it because of how complicated it is. Very hard. The #1 hardest game in the world to play. It's harder than chess. True story. Anyway, I'm gonna do that. I'm just waiting for YouTube to come out with those glasses. I wonder if they have it yet. Does YouTube have live streaming glasses? They need to have that. Why don't they have that? Search for glasses, people live stream on YouTube. Yeah, even if there's no glasses with direct integration in YouTube currently, there's ways to pull it off. Ugh. Man, it's like never a straight up like method to do something. Because that will really grow my channel. I'll probably get like to 20,000 subscribers easily. And then I can just focus on becoming an influencer. Ooh. Crypto meow analysis coming at you with JD. Yeah, Zebic is at resistance right now, so you have to decide if you're done with Zebic. So if you're done with Zebic, look, like now would be the time to be done, okay? Because yeah, sure, we can go back, we can go up from here. We could go up another 26 to 66%, but even then, you're still validating a downtrend. So unless the entire market's bullish, this thing's gonna come back down. So first and foremost, just like what I did with Dogelon, which is where I was like, hey, I'm gonna sell and I'll wait until it goes back down and buy back. This is that point for Zebic. So Zebic you have the opportunity to do the same with Zebic. QNT, I think QNT is more stable than that. Yeah. Yeah, so QNT is actually in our macro area of resistance. I have no idea where this thing's headed because it's very, very, very consistent. And it looks like you've just been accumulating for 4 years. Yeah, in June, it's going to be 4 years of accumulation. So I don't know, man. I mean, I think you might be coming up on the tail end of this accumulation, and you should hopefully get a big move. This is a pretty good coin. You know, like if you think about it, if you compare it to 99% of the cryptos, 99% of the cryptos are like this, right? Or like this, where you're just going down and making lower lows. But this is actually maintaining some sort of structure. Just like Litecoin. Litecoin is also maintaining structure. Bitcoin Cash is very bullish and all that stuff. So, and then Turbo, and I got to put this back. Turbo, I don't know what's going on with Turbo, but let's see. Yeah, Turbo, like, damn, you know, like you never ended up hitting this, and it's already selling off. So this is like one of those coins where it's like, damn it, like, did I really miss the opportunity to sell? And are we about to go down and actually hit our macro support at 302? Turbo doesn't look good right now. Zebic, for example, you're actually holding some sort of levels with Zebic. But with Turbo, it's like you came up and you had a massive move, right? You had a 59% move just like Zebic, and you already got this sell-off. So maybe you get a continuation, maybe it ends up going higher and you actually get into resistance and the RSI hits overbought, but that doesn't have to happen. So not financial advice, just my opinion. Tomar, yes, I could take a look at Sapien. Smash Toshi, welcome to the live stream. Welcome to the live stream. We got 19 bogeys in the chat. We got 19 bogeys in the chat. Let's go, man. Thank you so much for coming by this Friday evening. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for helping support the channel. And maybe one day... Okay. Maybe one day... What was I saying? I got distracted. Thanks for... Oh yeah, maybe one day you guys will catch me playing some cards on the live stream. Yep, that's what I do. Crypto and cards outside of work. And then I could live stream working out. And then I can do this and then this and then this. And then you guys will be with me all the time. You know, it'll just be like a reality TV show. But it'll just be live reality TV. Imagine if they had that. I feel like, why don't they have that? I mean, we're living in the past. People want to know what's going on now, not like, oh, let me watch a recording of what's already happened like a month ago or a year ago. It's kind of dumb if you actually think about it. It's like, man, imagine if everything is live and unscripted. How crazy and insane that would be to watch. I guess it just depends. It just depends on the viewer or on the person. So if the person's interesting, then they'll get more viewers, and if not, then nobody's gonna watch. You know what? I take that back. I feel like every single person has something that, like, there's so many people. There's so many people in the world. Like, people watch other people eating like cake and stuff, and like, I don't know, doing stupid shit or stupid stuff all the time. So I'm sure I'll make it in some way, shape, or form. And what's up, Smash Tochi? Oh yeah, Sapien. Sorry, I got distracted. Just flapping my gums. Gotta keep the viewers entertained. Yeah, so unfortunately with Sapien, you never ended up breaking this area of resistance, and then you broke down, which is what we said. There is no more support. I guess you could come down and refill this wick. Yeah, there is no more support. The next area of support would be coming down and filling this wick at 4 cents 70. From the get-go, I wasn't a fan of Sapien because not only was it a new coin, but also... Oh man, I'm about to get like so many phone calls. I called like 76 people today for work. And I've been getting calls nonstop. Damn, dude. Maybe I should... Oh man, I gotta mute my phone. Oh, that's brutal. But anyway, where was I? Oh yeah, I don't like Sapien because it's extremely inflationary. Okay, so they're coming out. They came out, and off the get-go, they are releasing so many coins. Okay, so the market cap is going to go up, the price is going to go down, and it's going to take more volume and more buying to get the price back to where it was before. So right off the bat, you should know that, and you should understand the tokenomics. Okay, so just be careful with Sapien. In terms of the targets on the upside, as of right now, you have 11 cents to 15 cents resistance overhead. Okay, for any sort of big move, you do need to absolutely break this area of resistance, and once you do that, then we can argue for a trend reversal and some sort of uptrend forming. But until then, you're just unfortunately stuck in this downtrend still, and there's no clear breakout until we get over this area of resistance. So I don't care how good the coin is and what you say. If the chart sucks, then unfortunately the coin is not good. It's bearish. So let's see what you wrote. With the amount of Sapien has with collapse in companies it's servicing, like Toyota and the United Kingdom, feels like buying XRP at 3 cents AI proof of quality. I hope this ends up working out for you, man. I really do. Just be careful. Again, just understand the tokenomics and understand that, look, like, who's getting the coins that are being released, right? So you have contributor rewards, which is inflationary because the contributors are probably going to sell. You have community treasury, which I have no idea what that is, and I don't even know what that is. And then starting in August of 2026, so in 7 months. Ooh, have a cruise in 7 months. Wait. No, 4 months. So what is that? April, May, June, July, August. Oh, 5 months. I have a cruise in 5 months. That's pretty cool. Yeah, once in a lifetime cruise. It is going to Alaska. That's going to be fun. I'm actually really excited for that. I'm not excited because it's going to be 10 days. But I'm excited because I've never been to Alaska and I really want to go see how cold. I want to go visit the Yetis in Alaska, you know. Yeah. So, anyway, yeah. So in August, when I'm on my cruise in Alaska, the team advisors are going to be releasing coins and supporters and investors. Which again, do your own research on this, but typically this is inflationary. It's not only releasing the distribution, but also it is going to increase the selling pressure, because that's what they're going to get their token unlocks to obviously sell. So there's no other incentives to locking it. It's making people not sell. So when it does get to that point, I don't know where the price is going to be, but do your due diligence and just be careful with it. A lot of coins come out and a lot of coins claim to be really good, and they are, but for whatever reason, the price doesn't reflect on how good the fundamentals are and how good the concept is. Okay, so just please be careful with Sapien. Not financial advice, just my opinion. And is Craig Berger back or no? Yo, Craig, are you here? Because you asked for 2 coins and you just left. So I guess we will not take a look at him. Anyways, let's look at the crypto bubbles. We got, how many bogeys we got? We have 19 bogeys in here. Let's go. Picoin. Does anybody want to sell my Picoin and send me the money? Because my wife and I, we mined this coin. So back in 2019 and 2020, we actually mined this coin, and we each have around 1,000. So together we have 2,000 coins. And this coin released, and they released it at $1.80, and it hit $2.74. So together we have like $5,500 worth, but we couldn't sell it because unfortunately, it's not on any exchanges in the U.S. So, yeah, that was literally just $5,500 on the blockchain just sitting. I was like, all right, I guess I can't sell it, so we're just still holding it, and now it's worth that $5,500 that it was basically free because we just mined it. We did it on our phones. It's now $400. That's crazy. $5,500 went down to $400 in 1 year. Yeah. Freaking market's brutal. I would have been pissed if I was someone new that was just buying, like buying with my own money. I'd be down divided by 10. Nobody has proof of quality. AI proof of quality. Do your own research on it, please. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely, man. And I hope it goes up for you, because if that's a new concept, man, if that's the next big thing like NFTs were, I know I'm comparing apples to oranges, but I'm just saying proof of quality, AI proof of quality, that is relatively new, especially in the crypto space. That might be something that actually does stick. Whereas back in the day, it's like, ooh, there's BAT. There is a web browser that rewards you with advertising with BAT coins. You know, that's really niche. That's a very interesting concept. There's OXT, which was my coin, which was decentralized VPN and also decentralized storage. So, yeah, if you guys are hackers, then you know what VPNs are used for. But anyway, you know what they're claiming is like clearly, oh, you could watch Netflix in like Japan or whatever. But whatever. Let's see. It's really like XRP at 30 cents. Yo, XRP might be heading back down to 30 cents. Yeah, so XRP is still getting stuck at resistance, and you know, macro area of support for XRP. If we do break this, it is really struggling to stay over $1.39. We've been saying this for a couple weeks now. Very important for it to stay over $1.39. If it doesn't hold that, you are coming back down to 50 to 76 cents. So just be careful. Yeah, I gotta get my water. I'll be right back. I gotta get my water. Just Google sapien, please. I understand. I understand what you're saying. I'll Google it because there's really nobody else talking in here. So sapien. Give me all the information on sapien. I hope like that's not gonna give me a virus. Hold on. Sapien crypto. What's the ticker? I don't want to type something that's like freaking wrong. Oh, I guess the ticker sapien. Sapien crypto. Sapien is a cryptocurrency launched in 2025, operates on base platform. Sapien is currently at 1 billion supply with 250 in circulation. Purpose of value proposition. Sapien addresses a foundation challenge in AI development, sourcing trustworthy, high-quality training data. The AI industry faces bottlenecks in verifying expert contributions and coordinating specialists effectively. Sapiens protocol connects enterprises needing labeled data with a global network of human contributors, ensuring data integrity and traceability. Okay. This creates a new economic model where the contributors can monetize their own knowledge while providing AI companies with verified expertise scale. It's not bad. That's not bad. There was a lot more, but I'm not going to sit here and read all of it. I'm with you, man. Sapien to the moon. Once Sapien starts breaking out, man, I mean, you're looking at big moves, right? Even... Oh, man. There we go. Yeah, so even Sapien, I mean, it's such a... I mean, it's 18 million market cap, so it's relatively small. And the total max supply is $1 billion. So even at $1, its max supply is only 100... sorry. At $1, it would be 1 billion, and then it'll be 250 million because that's how much is in circulation. So... Wait, what about Trump? Oh my god, have they released... Yeah, they've released coins into circulation. This used to be 199 million. Didn't he say he wants to ban gambling? Oh man, that would be nice. Dude, it's crazy, man. All the apps now, I feel bad for kids growing up these days and just being like exposed to all this stuff because it's like, man, they don't even have a chance. Like, if I ever have a kid or if I have kids, I'm going to be like, yo, gambling is wrong. Gambling is bad. Don't do it. And if that hits you a certain way, you got to look on the inside, not here. Don't look at me. Right? Facts over feelings, baby. Oh, Triple T's in the chat, man. Let's go, Triple T. Yo, I hope you're doing good, Triple T. $2, man. $1.99 beans. Thank you so much for that. I really appreciate that. I'm in. Yep. Okay. Got in at 100K. I'm up. It's 3026. Yo, let's see how Triple T's in the house. Let's see how much he's up. For the 20 people that are in here, if you guys don't know who Triple T is, this gentleman over here turned $200 into $25,000 on the live stream. So if you want to make money like Triple T, y'all gotta send some. No, I'm just joking. Imagine y'all gotta send some super chats. I'm just joking, man. But no, I'm not joking about the fact that he churned $200 into $25,000. So if anyone's gambling, man, that's gambling, and that's actually winning. So that's crazy, man. Let's see, Yeppy or Yep. Let's see. Got in at 100K. Triple T, can you confirm? Oh my gosh, yo, no way. How did? Hey, Floofin, he did it again, man. He did it again. Yo, is this the coin? Yeah, it's 3 zeros 26. 42,000 lock liquidity isn't bad to 252K fully diluted. Like market cap, that's not bad. Wise good people, are we making money? What's up, good people? Are we making money? I'm up 500 bucks so far. Yo, let's go, Triple T. Dude, that's awesome. Yo, hey, he did it again. Dude, that's crazy, man. See, I would never do this, but if you want to do it, man, good, go for it, right? It ain't my money. It ain't my money, but you're about to hit. Let's see if you actually hit our resistance. We got another 29%. Triple T, you have resistance overhead at 3 zeros 33. If you do get a breakout, then the next macro area of resistance is going to be 3 zeros 90, which as of right now is going to be another 286% move. However, we can still come up to this area of resistance and get smacked back down. Okay, so we'll actually keep this on the live stream. So I fit in at 3 zeros 97, only 3 million coins. What do you mean only 3 million? Are you one of the top holders of this coin, Triple T? He has 3 mil. Oh yeah, there's so many people actually that have millions. Okay, so never mind. Yo, let's see if we hit resistance overhead on the live stream, man. We got 2 targets here. Let's look at it from here. We got 31%. And then we got 277%. Yo, let's see what happens, Triple T. Come on, Triple T, let's do it again. Let's do it again, man. You're up 500 bucks right now. Let's make it let's make it 10 grand. Let's make it 5 grand. Because what is that? No, sorry, not even 5 grand. Just actually 1,500. So it'll be like $2,000. Barry Floofin says, how much are you up on it, Triple T? He said he's up $500 on it. That's nothing. It was up 2,000% today. I don't have enough in. $449 now. So he's up $449 now. Yo, there's no way this thing had this deep of a correction. There's no way this thing had a 64% correction only to do like 200%. Yeah, no, this thing's gonna, I think this thing's gonna actually go nuclear on the live stream again. Let's do this. Let's actually look at the 15-minute because it's just such a new coin. Yeah, Triple T, you are crazy for putting any money in here, but honestly, it is what it is. Oh, why isn't this recording? Interesting. Let's see. Nice. Yeah, I didn't put much in this time. 2 zeros 10 would give me 3 grand, 3 Gs. Goofy, scary money don't make money. That's true. That's true. You know, scared money don't make money. I thought that for the last 6 years, so I kind of need a pivot. Just did, you know, I tried. I did try, and you know, I'm gonna have to pivot. So, yeah, I can no longer just put like, I can no longer just put like $32,000 into OXT and watch it basically disintegrate, not disintegrate, but you know, go down. Like, I can't buy $12,000 worth of Elon, watch it go down to $4,000, then back up to like $8,000, and basically sell at a loss. You know. I move in tomorrow. Yo, I thought you were moving in tonight. Let's go, dudes. I need this for my new place and business. Yeah, your CMOS, right? Triple T selling that CMOS. I hope you make money, bro. Yeah, I hope he makes money too, man. We'll have this on the live stream, so we'll keep it up for him. We'll keep it up for him so we could just kind of look back and see where it's at every once in a while. Zebic is looking really good, man. Zebic, like, here, let me pull up Zebic for Silver Days, because this thing looks pretty good. I don't like the fact that you actually smacked against resistance, but you might still, I don't know. It's just overbought, so I don't know. We'll see. We are bullish. Yeah, you do not want to get a sell-off. It looks like it wants to continue, so I think you should get one next move up to at least 3 zeros 33. I should have put in $600 or $700. I only put in like 390. Hey, that's fine. You're still up, man. That's a win. That's still a win, man. That's funny. Dude, anybody else have these like fruits, like the fruits on Instagram? Like the fruits that like teach you how to cook, or like they have like backstories? Know what I'm talking about or no? It's like, it's like this. Oh, I don't even know you guys can see it. Throw more money the more you get. Oh, more money the more you get. The more money the more you get. Oh, the more money the more you get. Yeah, even Bitcoin Cash is looking. Dude, Bitcoin Cash, man, we should have just bought Bitcoin Cash, right? Who would have thought? Who would have thought Bitcoin Cash would have outperformed a lot of the coins? Yeah, the more money, the more you get. That's true. The more money, the less percentage you need too. It's selling off a little. Yeah, but watch. Based on my expertise, Triple T, this is going to end up being a wick, and then you're going to actually go green into this area. Based on my expertise, I believe in it, man. I believe you. I believe in you. You're going to get it. But you better sell, or I guess you better figure out a place where you're comfortable selling, I should add. Holder's been going up crazy. I found out how to get these coins. It's the easy. They all rugs. I will sell. I lost too much. Are you, wait, so you're saying I will sell, I lost too much. Are you selling now? Are you selling this? Are we done with this or no? Are you keeping it? No, no, no. Why is it showing me my watch list? Like, what the? Yeah, like, no. There we go. Triple T for 99 cents. That is $2.99. Let's go. Thank you so much for the $2.99. So I guess $3. Thank you for the $3. I'm in. Oh, I didn't mean that. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, sorry, man. I know you have a personality, but the way that I read it, it's not like the way, because I now know how you're saying it, but I didn't know that. So what I read was, I will sell, I lost too much. Like, hey, you know what? It's going down, I'm selling it. That's what I read. But now that you said I didn't mean that, I understand. Oh, okay, so that's how you meant it. Okay, okay, so we'll still keep looking at it. Come on, go up. Yep, hey, go up. Come on. All it has to do is just go up another 300% for you, man. Man, I watched this coin go up and down. It crashed all the way down to 4060. Today missed that dip. Yeah, because if you had bought this dip, even if you put 500, or let's just say you even put $100 in, you would have turned that $100 into $500, like $400 worth of profit. It's been out for a day, so I've seen a lot of ups and downs. Yeah, I mean, we can see that. That's what crazy swings, man. 45% dip, 135% move, 64% dip, 400% move to the upside. Yo, you're printing green on the next 15 minutes, so you really want to see this next candle take us to 33. If it doesn't, you might be cooked. You really want to see this break out and validate this uptrend and this channel. That's what you want to see. Come on, Yepe. And then Zebic for Silver Days, man. Come on, Zebic. Let me turn that off. We just hit 3,000 holders. Yeah. 3,004. It might not be the same that, like, of where you're looking at it, but yeah, it's 3,000 here too. Damn. And you said you have 3 million? How do I expand this? Yeah, it won't let me expand this. Oh well. Oh, maybe I could look at it on Etherscan or something. Come on, Yepe. Come on, Yepe. Let's go. You're gonna have an opportunity to sell. You just gotta actually sell it. But again, if you sell it, it might go to the moon. So you have to accept that. But as long as you make some money, I mean, you're up anyway right now. So you're doing pretty good. Oh my god, we've already been live for an hour and 3 minutes, guys. Yeah, we've been live for an hour and 3 minutes. We're gonna call it soon, so I think I'll call it on the next 15-minute candle for Triple T. So it's a lot. I watch about these coins. They came out at 12:20 a.m. I might sell tonight, don't know yet. And I'm number 91 on the wallet. Yeah, I was trying to look because you said you had 3 million, but it's not letting me look past number 41. And it goes down to 8.5 mil here, so it's not bad. Yo, Triple T for $4. Yeah, $1.99, $1. Yo, Triple T for $4. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Coming in with the freaking super chats, man. Let's go. Come on, you super chatted me, so your coin's gonna go up. Like, imagine. We got 21 votes in. Are you holding altcoin? 62% of the chat said yes. 38% of the chat says no. Interesting. We got the majority of people still holding on to their altcoins. Wow. No, that's good. 91 are 91 out of 3,000 people. Yeah, that's true. What was the coin you were at, like number 3? You were like number 3 or number 2 on that one coin, Bio LLM or something. Did you figure out what happened with that coin or no? Like, have you looked at it or no? I'll take a look at it if you want me to, but I haven't looked at it. I don't want to look at it and it's up like 1,000% because then you'll feel bad. But if you don't have it anymore, the holders was at 635 when I got in. Damn. Let's see. Let's see what it's at now. 3,004. Oh, it still hasn't updated, so never mind. It's up. Bio LLM. Let's see. Oh yeah, you sold it here, remember? You remember you bought 500 in or whatever, and you said I'm just gonna let that. Right, you good thing you sold it because it capitulated, and then you bought back. If you ended up buying the low, it did another 100% move, so that's not bad. Yeah, that's not bad. What's Ugor? Right, I sold and made money. Yeah, you made a lot of money on that, dude. You made it on the live stream. That's awesome. It's nice to actively see like somebody make money on the live stream, dude. That's awesome. Come on, Yepe, you need to get this breakout. We're going to be posting the watch list videos tomorrow morning, just FYI. Oh, man. Alright, next candle, we are going to call it. So the next 15-minute candle, we are going to call it. Yup, always do this. Runs, then cools off. Yeah, you're playing it good, man. And wow, Bitcoin's having some sort of good reversal right now. Even though you're still bearish. Technically, you're still bearish. Yeah, you need to break 72,000 overhead for the next higher in continuation. That 81,000 is the next target, which will probably move altcoins, in my opinion. I think that we'll get some sort of relief rally if Bitcoin ends up breaking 72,000 and we end up going to 81,000. So I study these coins. I watch them for real. I'm watching the ribbons, like the moving averages. Yes, moving averages. Yeah, speaking about those, I don't even have these on here. Yeah. All right, guys, I think we're going to call it here. So I'm going to be posting the watch list videos tomorrow morning, and then I think we will be live a little bit later in the night, probably around the same time, actually. tomorrow. So now I'm only up $342. Damn. Prosper says, bro, is BTC going up from here? You still have to break resistance at 72,000. If you don't, you're just making a lower high and you're gonna probably get stuck and come back down to 67. Hey. Thanks for everything. Yeah, of course, man. I'll be live again tomorrow around the same time. In the mornings, the watch list videos will be posted. So obviously we have these coins to look at. Oh my gosh, is my internet gone? Are you guys still here? Oh, there we go. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna post the watch list videos. So outside of that, thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate all the super chats, all the members, all the subscribers. Thank you so much for all of your support. I greatly appreciate it. Just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and this is all just for entertainment purposes and nothing more. Have a great night. Enjoy the rest of your night. I hope to see everybody in tomorrow's live stream. Take care. If I don't see you, enjoy your weekend.